Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to install Corail pillar mod for 1.8.9, which adds a new style of pillars. As you can see, there's a bunch of pillars you can now do in Minecraft. They look really awesome. I really like this one. This one's really good. I like how it looks. But anyway, let's go to installing it. So we're gonna scroll down, find 1.8.9, and we're just gonna click this. And just click the download button, press keep and close it before it loads all the ads. You can also press it again if it loads the ads from the start. Now we're going to install Forge 1.8.9, the installer one. By the way, both links will be in the description, so you can use them and download the exact things that I'm downloading right now. So we're just going to wait for it to skip, and then we're going to press skip up here. So we're just pressing skip, and we're going to wait for that to be done. It might take you less time. For me, just taking more right now, but it should be fast anyhow. So anyway, I'm going to minimize Google for now, add my recording software. I'm just going to press keep, and I'm going to drag both these here. If you can't drag them for whatever reason, I saw it in the comments once, you can just go to here, downloads, or you can go to your downloads from the files and put them somewhere where you know that where they are, the files I mean. So now we're going to minimize this, and we're going to install Forge. So double click on Forge. That should open this interface. Just press OK. As you can see, mine installed really fast. If it's your first time doing mods, it will take longer, so it might take a few minutes. So just let it do its thing, and just when it's done, press OK. Now we're gonna put the mod. So we're just gonna go %update and it's gonna load this folder, and we should find .minecraft. It could be up here, or it could be in the bottom. Sometimes it happens. Just go into .minecraft and get a mods folder. If there isn't a mods folder, create a new folder by doing right click, new folder, and name it mods like here. When you make the folder, or if you already have a folder, go into it, and as you can see I already have a mod. Either remove the mods that you already are using or delete them if you don't need them. I'm going to delete it because I don't need this mod, because some mods may crash with when doing with one another. So this mod may crash with Optifine. I don't know, it's probably not going to crash, but you get the point. So for now we just want to make sure the mod is working. So yeah, you can add the other mods later on if you wish. But anyway, let's put the mod in here. You can drag it, you can copy paste it, you can cut paste it. There's many ways. I'm just going to drag it in here. Point is to make sure it's here. Now we're going to close this. We're going to double click Minecraft. Also, we can now delete this installer.log thing. You can also delete the Forge if you want. We don't actually need it. We already installed it. As you can see, it's already pre-selected here, but if it's not, scroll up and down through the versions and find the one where it says 1.8.9 Forge. Now we're going to be starting Minecraft. I'm going to reduce my OBS. We can see it's now loading. When I tried before, it wouldn't load, but I think it was a problem with my computer. Now it should be loading. As we can see now, it's loaded, and we have the Corail pillar mod, sorry if I pronounced it wrong, installed, and that should be working. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!